Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com. And today we've got this big box. This came from MRE Nation. So I went to the website, ordered a build your own MRE, and I thought that was pretty cool. You know, you always get MREs and there's a few things in there you really, okay, maybe you like them, maybe you don't, you just go ahead and eat it. But with MRE Nation, you can just order the items that you want, that you like, that you're not gonna waste. So I ordered this, I think on a Monday, and Wednesday it was here. So it really, really fast. It was under $20, huge MRE. I don't remember exactly what I ordered. I think jalapeno patty and some other stuff. So let's open it up, see what we have. Thank you so much for shopping with MRE Nation. And there looks like there's a lot more stuff in here than a ration. So, oh wow. Man, check that out. MRE Nation cup. Looks like it has some drinks. We'll check that out in a few minutes. And wow, there's something else in here. Like Christmas in March. And let's see what we have here. Got a lot of bubble wrap. MRE Nation really wraps it good. Wow. Okay. Got some energy bars, some peanut butter, and we'll get into that in a minute. And here we go. This is MRE Nation complete meal. Like I said, it's jalapeno patty. So let me weigh this. Okay, just put this on the scale. It weighed just over 1 pound, 8 ounces. So it's just a little bit over 1.5 pounds. Man, look at all this. So let's see what we have in here. MRE Nation, man, they really hooked us up. So here we have the pepperoni pizza with cheese. And it was made in the 33rd day of 2018. Man, I love the pizza. This is a huge chocolate bar. It's heavy. Feeling it, feels like there's 2 chocolate bars in there. I guess one for me and one for Nina, but man, if I had to guess, this is probably, I don't know, 6 to 8 ounces. It's huge. 50 grams of biscuits. So it's fortified digestive biscuits. Isotonic sports drink, 2 sports drinks, package of peanut butter, 2 peach energy bars, and then, this is really cool, to tie the bag closed, a piece of camo. How cool is that? So let's see what's inside of the MRE Nation cup. This is a nice cup, by the way. It's a metal cup. 60 gram hot chocolate drink, regular flavor. We have an alcohol-free antibacterial wipe. Package of Grand 3-in-1 instant coffee. Nescafe 3-in-1 coffee. Package of Russian sugar. Here we have milk sugar, condensed sweetened milk. Package coffee. Russian tea bag. We have another package of 50 grams of biscuits. 2 B6 chewing gum. And again, man, look at this cup. This is excellent. So let me get everything out of the way. Okay, we're back with the ration. And let's open up the peelable seal. Wow. And this worked out really good. Oh yeah, the grilled jalapeno pepper beef patty. Tortillas. Had the accessory pack, we'll get into that in a minute. A couple of hot beverage bags, flameless ration heater. Oh yeah, I remember. The marble pound cake. Oh yeah. And the beverage powder orange drink. Oh yeah, and the garlic mashed potatoes. For some reason, I was thinking these were gonna be instant. My favorite, the jalapeno cheese spread. A package of dried fruit mix, and that's it. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the ration heater going. This was the 61st day of 2017. I think I'm gonna put the jalapeno in there, the cheese. I know I'm gonna put the garlic in, maybe the tortillas. So, I'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and I didn't open the accessory pack. We'll do that in just a minute. I went ahead and spared you the agony of watching me put the mashed potatoes and the beef patty in together. Let me see if I can get the tortillas in. And this thing is full. Get a little water. See if we can get the heater activated. That's about right. See if we can keep the water inside. As you can see, I'm making a mess. We'll see how that takes off. Let's go ahead and get into the accessory pack. We have a, wow, nice spoon too. But as everybody knows, we don't use it. We use the ForeignMRE.com Sport. Here we have moist towelette, Cafe Delight, non-dairy creamer. We have some coffee. We have some package of sugar. We have a napkin. Everybody knows I need plenty of napkins. Oh, a package of hot sauce. Package of Smarties, salt and pepper. Still got my jalapeno cheese spread. See if I can tuck that in. Feels like the flameless ration heater is working. Got a package of orange base. Let's get that started. You see that? Smells kind of like maybe like tang. And here we have the dried fruit. Don't see a tear notch, not a problem. Looks like a lot of bananas, some papaya, and some pineapple. Moving on, we've got the trans fat free marble pound cake. There's a 190th day of 2018, very fresh. Let's open it up. Got the oxygen absorber, and it smells very good. So while we're waiting on the flameless ration heater, I need to get a cup with some hot water so I can make some coffee. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see, I spared you watching me open everything. So I've got the coffee made, put the cream and sugar in. I've got the tortillas, nice and warm. I've got the jalapeno patty, and I've got the garlic mashed potatoes. And the flameless ration heater ended up working really well. Even the cheese is kind of warm. Let's go ahead and get started because I'm hungry. First thing we're going to try is the jalapeno patty. So the first thing you taste is the beef. It has a strong processing taste, but man, you can taste the spices in it, the garlic, the onion, but what you can really taste is the jalapeno. It's got quite the kick to it. Let's try the garlic mashed potatoes. Yeah, and immediately you can taste the garlic. Tastes like there's some onions, even tastes like there's butter inside there. I think what I'm gonna do is try a little bit of this hot sauce on the patty, and just a little bit, because it's already pretty spicy. And as everybody knows, that's my little bit, it just plop. This hot sauce smells like Tabasco sauce. It's got a real vinegary flavor. It's really red. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's really good. I'm gonna try a little salt, and I'm gonna pour some in my hand because everybody knows when I try a little salt, it's a little bit everywhere. Then it turns into just a lot in one spot. And the pepper, there's quite a bit of salt and pepper. See if I can just get that out where it's supposed to go. Look at that. Okay. me try a little bit of the mashed potatoes with the pepper. Excellent. And then I'm gonna try a little bit of the mashed potatoes with some of the jalapeno patty juice. Excellent. I'm gonna try a little bit of the jalapeno cheese spread. And Nina keeps her knife super sharp. Let's put a little bit of cheese on there. Okay, got the cheese, got the jalapeno burger. Very good. You can't go wrong with the jalapeno cheese. It's always good. So let's try some with the garlic mashed potatoes. That makes those potatoes really good. Moving on to the tortillas. Appear to be nice and fresh, pliable. Got the front, got the back, and let's try it. And I think I'm gonna put a little cheese on this. That is very good. Let's try a little bit of the fruit mix. Bananas, pineapple, papaya, and this is very fresh. The bananas are real crispy. It's very good. Let's try some of the orange drink. Of course, we have it in the MRE Nation cup. Earlier, I said that smelled like Tang, but it doesn't taste anything like Tang. It's really good. Real strong flavor of orange, but it's not that Tang flavor. Let's try the marble pound cake. And it looks good, smells good. This pound cake is really, really good. Tastes chocolatey, tastes vanilla, and it's moist. It's, you know, if you watch one of my reviews, a few reviews back, I had some carrot cake. I think it was with the zombie ration, and it was just dried out. But it's perfect. Okay, and then we'll try the coffee with cream and sugar in the ForeignMRE.com mug. And that coffee's good. There's no bite to it. It's not a real strong coffee, but it's just perfect. Cream and sugar. Let me set this out of the way. Let's try the moist towelette. And it's nice and wet. It has a real nice fragrance to it. It's not real tough, but it does the job. Let's try the Smarties. These were my favorite when I was a kid. And I have to say, they're still my favorite. This was the MRE Nation, the build your own. I had the jalapeno patty, I give it a 10. It had the garlic mashed potatoes, perfect 10. I also ordered the cheese spread with jalapenos, always perfect. Never had bad cheese spread with jalapenos. Unless of course it had some age to it. You mix this with the patty or the potatoes, man, it just makes it out of the world here. The dried mix, I give it a 10. Tortillas, nice and fresh, perfect 10. And this orange drink, it doesn't taste like it's like a Tang. It's a lot better. Then we have the coffee. I give this a 10. And this pound cake, it's a perfect 10. I mean, the vanilla, the chocolate, the moisture in it, it's just perfect. So that's gonna be everything for the Build Your Own MRE Nation. I highly recommend this. Like I said, it was under 20 bucks and it was everything that I ordered. Nothing's gonna go to waste. So as always, you can get your fresh discounted ration. You can't get this ration because we only sell foreign rations, but you can get your fresh discounted ration at ForeignMRE.com. Thanks for watching.